How to make a DIY shoe chair with cardboard. Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be making a shoe chair with cardboard. This request was made since last year, towards the end of last year, 2020, and I wasn't too sure if I was able to pull it off because it was going to require a lot of work. So I made up my mind to try it out. This is bucket that I'm going to be using for the sitting area because I will be making it with a storage. So this bucket is going to serve as the storage. Now I'm going to go ahead now and draw the shape of the seating area. I'm using a lot of double corrugated cardboard that is equivalent to one single corrugated cardboard. So it is a really strong and hard cardboard. I use this tool for my cutting and it is such a time saver. I will leave a link for this down in the description box below. I'll be making another one of this, and the upper side of this shape is going to be 5 inches more than what I have. I ended up cutting another smaller piece so that it will be the same width with the bigger one, because it's all gonna have to be on the straight board. So I made the bottom part, as you can see, 21 inches for the smaller one, and it's 21 inches for the bigger one as well. Meanwhile, the height is different to give it a more realistic look. I'll be gluing the bucket to the board and also having this other bigger piece at the top. Now the bigger piece at the top, I'm gonna be drawing the circle that I would need for the opening and carving it out. And then I'll make a lot of other pieces for the one at the top. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I'll be attaching this with the base that I already have with the bucket to this hard foam board that I got from Walmart. I'm going to be adding leftover PVC pipes that I have at the open spaces to make sure that it doesn't sink in. Now it's time to cover up the body. I'm done with this part. I'm going to keep it aside. And then I carved out pieces that's going to be for the back. The height of this is 53 inches. I have two pieces here. So the first piece will be fortified with cardboard pieces that I cut according to the progressive width of the cardboard. I used a hard foam board and attached it to the cardboard before I then added the pieces that I had cut. Now I made holes in the middle of all of the pieces for a PVC pipe that's going to keep it stable and sturdy. Now I'm going to cover the top. This is what I have so far. Now I'm going to be attaching the base to what I just made. Now this is the heel for the shoe. And I repeated the same steps like I did for the first one that was attached to the base. I fortified the top side with more cardboard. And then now I'm going to use a hard foam board and cover up the top. I placed what I just made on top of the fabric to make it easy for me to measure exactly what I need for the body of the shoe. I bent it over to make it easy for me to cover up the side of the shoe, and I used black fabric for this side. This is the fabric that I'll be using for the middle of the shoe. The storage I have on this chair looks like this, but then you can definitely make it wider by carving out your own squared shape. I didn't have enough wood to the size that I want, so this is what I had for now. And then I put other cardboard pieces by the side and then cover the top and the bottom with foam board and then added foam on top, 2 pieces of 1-inch foam to make it 2 inches thick. And I covered it up with fabric. I'm gonna add a little bit of the faux fur at the top. I have some rough edges on the chair, and that's gonna be covered up with this white elastic ribbon that I got from Joann Craft Store. I chose this because it's gonna be easy for me to make a curve like this. At the top, this is the shape that I had cut to give me a more realistic look of a shoe. This is super comfy and, more importantly, very sturdy. I'm going to be sitting down at different angles of the chair so you guys can see how comfortable it is and how good it looks. I love this chair so much. And as you can see at the top, that realistic look of a shoe was made there. And hey, this is what the back looks like. And the height of the chair is 53 inches tall. Let's not forget the storage. Like I said, what I have here is small because I used a bucket. Now you can make yours as big as you like. I'm going to be giving this chair out, even if I love it so much, to a dear friend of mine because it was her birthday and I forgot. And I know she's going to love this chair. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Now don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and families as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button.